So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did my boxwood hedge flower wall. And to begin, I'm going to be just painting around the frame of this concrete display pillar, whatever you want to call it. And I'm clearly really feeling this song. This song is a bop, so I'm definitely feeling it. But yeah, once I'm finished painting the frame, I'm going to be painting the inside of it green. But I ended up using an oil paint, which was extremely difficult to use based on how thick the paint is. So I definitely recommend using a water-based paint. It's much more easier to spread, and I believe it will get the job done at a more faster time, because this one did take some time because I had to put extra coats and these stuff, but I was pleased in the end. This song is such a tripper because all day in work I've been singing you want a bamba. What does it mean? What does this song actually mean? Because I've just been having the time of my life and I have no idea what the hell it means. But I'm clearly having the time of my life at this time because I was really feeling the song. Yeah. So once I'm finished with the inside, I'm going to be applying the boxwood hedge, and I got these at Fair and Square from Chagonas. Now I'm applying them with mountain tape, and you're going to see pretty soon that they started to come off of the wall. It wasn't really holding it. My mom ended up coming in to put some reinforcements with some concrete nails. While that did assist, I did have some problems with some of them, so I ended up using Evo stick and it ended up doing a really good job. So you're gonna see me here applying the flowers just to beautify the space. Guys, I'm so sorry about these emojis. I had no idea how transparent my dress was, and I don't want to be flashing anyone on YouTube, so I'm just here applying the lovely roses. I got these roses by Home Store. They're really excellent quality, and in the end I think I was really pleased with the entire look of everything. So I bought like 2 different sets of roses. I bought Baby's Breath, and yeah, I'm clearly happy with the results there. So yeah, and this is the finished product. I do hope that this tutorial or step-by-step video was really easy to follow, and I do hope that you enjoyed it. I really loved how this turned out. I still have my neon sign to put at the center of my display. But for now, this is the finished product. I will put the update on my Instagram at Glam Bunny, as well as my other social media platforms. So I hope that you did enjoy. Please take care and be safe. Thank you.